Problem statement. We have found an error in picking item which is short supply. Short supply is there will be an error in amount of item customer order which the item will be exceed the customer demand. It is cause geodis facing a problem where to resend the exit item which involve cost of pick, repack and delivery as well. The warehouse picker also struggling in miscount the amount of item when they are a large quantity of order. Objective. The first objective is to identify the innovation can assist in reducing the error. The best option to reducing the error is observe first before receive the orders, the items and the packaging for details to see the mistake are happening. The second objective is to evaluate the proper technique order picking is the pooling of an item or items in a warehouse or fulfillment center for fulfilling an order placed by a customer. Successful warehouse picking is a critical move within order fulfillment procedures that necessitate the use of strong equipment and employment operations in order to ensure high order average accuracy throughout all order departing the warehouse. The third objective is to analyze ways to reduce manual counting in order. Manual counting is the process of selecting items, goods, or product from a warehouse inventory without the benefit of other software and equipment that will automate some or all of the processes. Impact of the product. An operator can easily pick the accurate quantity of items because the quick quantity checker will show the exact number of items needs by customer and the number of items picked. Creating a work environment that is comfortable and conducive to the physiology and physiology of the worker because worker no need to recount the item when the number in the item found wrong as before. The response toward mistake and errors is immediate because quick quantity checker will pop up a alert message when there is an error. Rating for customer satisfaction about shipping error is high and customers are giving a good feedback about the quick quantity checker when we conduct a survey. Continuous process improvement by quick quantity checker actively propagated in the company. It will lead the company to invest more quantity checker in their branches and have a good position in marketplace. Quick quantity checker that available can increase productivity which we can identify with the order fulfillment without any error in it. The advancement of the baking process well designed with an obvious improvement possibility, which is the company starts to have the lowest number of customer complaints. The advancement verify the potential advantages in KPI performance of the company because companies starting to achieve their monthly targets of correct order fulfillment successful. Effectiveness of the product. This application system can recognize the order items when the part number of item is scanned. The error will identify the system which to avoid short supply in order picking process, improve their customer satisfaction with their employees' performance, and achieve the KPI performance of the company. This application will help to reduce cost of company because when supply company facing a problem to resend exited item which involve cost as well, operation department will move smoothly and more professionally. This is sample of our innovation product that interface in smartphone. The first diagram is showing that how to log in the quick quantity checker application. To log in quick quantity check application, we must need a user ID and password. After login, it will come out a new home screen that showing that quantity checker and records. If we want to check the quantity, we just click on the quantities checker and it will come out a new home screen that is scan part number and it's automatically come out user name, user ID and quantity of the item to pick. After that, if have any short supply error, that will show that pop-up message in red color that is error is found. By this, we can reduce the short supply error. This is our product illustration that interface in Handle Scanner. The first diagram is showing that how to log in the Handle Scanner application. That is, we need to have user ID and password to log in. After that, there will come out a new home screen that is showing the quantity checker and records. If you want to check the quantity, just we click on the quantity checker and it will come out a new home screen that showing that user ID, username and the quantity to pick. If any quantity is less or short, it will come out a message that is error is found, that is short supply. By this we can reducing our short supply error and it's also can easy to pickers to reduce their error in short supply.